हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू द क्लास। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ बहुत 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 ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। चाहे आप क्लास 10th में हो, आपको बोर्ड एग्जाम में अपियर होना है, या आप आइल्स की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, आपको फॉरेन कंट्री के लिए प्रिपेयर होना है, मतलब फॉरेन कंट्री में जाने के लिए आप प्रिपेयर हो रहे हैं, दोनों ही कंडीशंस में ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होने वाली है, क्योंकि आज हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एनालिटिकल पैराग्राफ को कैसे लिखेंगे। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैं आज एक टेबल का क्वेश्चन लेकर आई हूँ, टेबल बेस्ड। उसको हम एनालाइज करेंगे सबसे पहले, उसके बाद मैं आपको कुछ कीवर्ड्स बताऊंगी और उसके बाद आपको बताऊंगी कि आपको उसको अरेंज कैसे करना है। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज कर लीजिए, ताकि मुझे भी मोटिवेशन मिलता रहे। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिएगा, लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, if you are in class 10, right, and you are going to appear for your board exam, then you need practice. You need to remember the keywords that we are going to use while writing an analytical paragraph. You can watch my last video related to the same topic, and you can go through the keywords that I highlighted there. Today we are going to use the same keywords and how to write the paragraph, right? With the help of this example we shall understand. So read the question carefully. First of all, means this will be of 5 marks, and the word limit that is 100 to 120 words. All right, so we are to cover only the important facts that has been highlighted in this table. If you are preparing for IELTS exam, then also you have to write in the same way, means your word limit that may be 150 to 180. In this case you can elaborate more, right? You can write in detail the same facts and same details. So first of all, read the question carefully. The table below shows the salaries of secondary high school teachers in 2009. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. So here it is 150 words limit, that is for IELTS exam, and for class 10 this is only 100 to 120 words. Now first of all, the first task is to identify what is this. This is a table. So I have written some important points that will be helpful while writing the paragraph. So in the same way you can practice, and while you are preparing for your exam, then you have to mention all these things, right? So first, this is a table. What it is showing, it is given in the question. This is showing salaries of teacher in 2009. How many countries are mentioned? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 countries have been mentioned in this table. Now we are to study the table. First of all, considering the starting salary, just find out the minimum and the maximum. So you can see Australia minimum, okay, starting salary minimum in Australia, and maximum in this Luxembourg. Okay, then if we talk about the maximum salary, once again it is highest in the same country and minimum in Australia. Apart from that, no change in Australia and Denmark. You can see after 15 years this is 48,000, the same is there, then 54,000, then it is also the same maximum salary. We shall highlight this point in our paragraph. Next, you can see the number of years to reach maximum salary. So years required, that is maximum in Japan, means Japan took the longest time, and minimum in Denmark, Denmark took the least time to reach their maximum salary. Now if we talk about this column, after 15 years, salary after 15 years of experience, that is same in Australia and Korea, and you can even mention maximum in Luxembourg, and it is same in Australia and Korea, that is minimum also. Okay, now with the help of these points we shall write down the analytical paragraph. So now this will be the most important point we are going to discuss, right? So with the help of these points only, we shall write down the paragraph. Okay, let me move it little above. Now see, first of all, the just remind the format. We need to mention 3 points. One is intro, second one is body, and the third one is, that is, conclusion, right? So one or two sentences in introduction part, one or two sentences in conclusion part, and 5 to 7 or 7 to 8 sentences in body. Right. So now, first of all, let's start with the introduction. So the introduction line, that will be just as same the question. Okay, so you can just modify some words and you can write down the introduction. So here it is. The table given above shows the salaries of secondary high school teachers in 2009 in 5 countries, right? I have collaborated these 3 points. In 5 countries, the names you can mention: Australia, Denmark, Luxembourg, Japan, and Korea. Now, this is the intro part. This is done. Now, we have to elaborate the facts. First of all, about the starting salary, it is clear from the table that starting salary was minimum in Australia, that is only 28,000, and it was maximum in Luxembourg, that is 80,000. The starting salary is 45,000, 34,000, and 30,000 respectively in Denmark, Japan, and Korea. Regarding teachers with 15 years of experience, now it is about the second column, this one. Regarding the teachers having 15 years experience, there is a significant increase in salary in Luxembourg with 1,19,000, followed by Japan offering 65,000. Now you can see in these two columns the differences. This is 28 to 48, 20,000, 45 to 54, 9, 80 to 129, that is, sorry, 119, that is 29, 34 to 65, that is 31, no, yes, that is 31. But here we can see that there is a significant change in this column, right? It is 80,000 then to 1,19,000. That is a huge amount. We can mention the difference as well, right? There is a the maximum difference between this and this. Okay, so 34,000 to 65,000, and then 30 to 48,000, that is 18. Okay, so in this way we can compare. So means considering this amount, 1,19,000 and 1,32,000, that is a huge amount, but 65,000, that is not a huge amount. So we can mention that there is a significant change, right, or significant increase in salary in Luxembourg with 1,19,000, and followed by the next means turn, that is of Japan, offering 65,000. Okay, so this one, Japan, there is also a significant change. Then in terms of maximum salary, Luxembourg again indicated the highest amount, that is 1,32,000, followed by same Japan and Korea at 86,000 and 62,000 respectively. Australia and Denmark offer 48,000 and 54,000 respectively to the teachers with 15 years of experience, and that is their maximum salary also, right? So you can see in the column Australia and Denmark, they are offering 48,000 and 54,000, and that is their maximum salary also. There is no change in the maximum salary. Next, last one is regarding reaching the maximum salary. Japan took, so here we have mentioned a maximum in Japan, minimum in Denmark. So Japan took the longest time, and Korea took the least time, right? Let me check. Sorry, it is Denmark. Okay, Denmark took the least time. Here it is a minor mistake, so we have to mention Denmark. Denmark took the least time. Now this sentence is of conclusion part. Overall, we can say that means while analyzing the whole data, what we can conclude? We can conclude that Luxembourg, that is the country where teachers are getting means they are getting very well paid, right? So overall, we can say that in Luxembourg, teachers are paid well as compared to the remaining four countries, right? So this is how we are to write down the analytical paragraph. Now you can see the keywords that I have used, like maximum, then minimum, then longest time, or the least time. Apart from that, one more word is used repeatedly, that is respectively, right? Or highest. You can use the lowest also, then followed by. Okay, so these are the keywords that I have used. Then table, shows, right? And overall. So in this way, we can write down the analytical paragraph. I hope you have understood how to write analytical paragraph and what means the main thing that is to practice, right? Means at first you need to arrange in this way, and then after means when you are done with the some paragraphs, then you would be able to write down the paragraphs in this form also, directly in this form, no need for these points, right? So in this way we are to write down this. I hope you enjoyed the video. You have learned really something new. Okay, so keep learning, keep preparing well for your exam. All the best. Thank you. Bye.